Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram blocked list. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the blocked option. Now you can see every account that you have blocked on Instagram. And this is how you can see your Instagram blocked list. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.